Let's connect Alibaba to wecantrack so your conversions track automatically. From the left menu, open Data Sources, then Affiliate Networks. Search for Alibaba in the list. Open it, then click Create Account. Give your account a name you will recognize later. Alibaba connects with a postback URL. A postback is a server-to-server message that tells wecantrack the moment a conversion happens. Click Create Postback URL and wecantrack generates your unique postback URL. Copy it, then in the Alibaba Affiliate Center, open the postback section and paste it in there. Back in wecantrack, your Alibaba account is now connected and ready to track conversions. That's it, no developer needed. Check our other integration guides.